Imagine a world where your entire digital life, your professional editing suite, your AAA gaming console, and your AI assistant fits into a device so small it can slide into a jacket pocket. For over a decade, we've been told that small means compromise. We've been told that if you want the best of Apple, you have to carry a giant 13-inch slab of glass. But right now, in the early months of 2026, the tech world is shifting. We are standing on the precipice of the most significant pivot in tablet history. The iPad mini M5, powered by the M5 chip. If you thought the move to the A17 Pro in the previous generation was a big deal, you haven't seen anything yet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The rumors coming out of the supply chain in late 2025 and the first half of 2026 are pointing toward a device that shouldn't technically exist. We are talking about a Mini Pro in everything but name. A device that finally kills the jelly scrolling nightmare, introduces the first ever OLED panel to the compact line, and packs more raw computing power than the high-end MacBooks from just 2 years ago. Stay with me, because today we are breaking down the leaked schematics, the new Fusion architecture of the M5 Silicon, and the secret Apple Intelligence features that are about to make the iPad Mini 8 the most coveted piece of tech in America. To understand why the iPad Mini M5 is such a radical departure, we have to look at Apple's 2026 strategy. In March of this year, Apple stunned the world by releasing the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro with the M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips. They didn't just iterate, they introduced a neural accelerator in every single core. And now, that same technology is making its way to the smallest iPad. This isn't just a tablet anymore. It is a handheld AI supercomputer. The heart of the beast is the M5 chip. Built on the refined 3nm N3P process, the M5 isn't just about clock speeds. It's about unified AI throughput. In the US market, where we are seeing a massive shift toward on-device privacy and local AI processing, the Mini M5 is Apple's answer to the cloud-heavy competition. The M5 chip in this new Mini is rumored to deliver a 40% jump in multi-core performance over the previous A-series chips. But the real headline is the GPU. We're looking at a next-generation architecture that brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading to a handheld form factor with zero throttling. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 or the latest Resident Evil at 60 frames per second on a device you can hold in one hand while standing on the subway. This is the Nintendo Switch killer that Apple has been building toward for years. But power is useless if you can't see it clearly. Let's address the elephant in the room, the display. For years, the iPad mini has been plagued by its 60Hz LCD panel. We've complained about the jelly scroll, the lack of contrast, and the brightness issues. In 2026, that era officially ends. The iPad mini M5 is finally making the jump to an 8.7-inch OLED panel. But this isn't just any OLED. While the iPad Pro uses tandem OLED, the Mini 8 is expected to use a high-efficiency, single-stack LTPS OLED. This gives us the deep, infinite blacks and the 1:0:0:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio we've been begging for, while keeping the device thin and the battery life long. And yes, the leaks suggest that Apple is finally introducing a 90Hz or possibly a full 120Hz promotion refresh rate. This changes the entire feel of the operating system. Every